Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of this program. Today we will talk about what is insecure CAPTCHA. But before that, we need to understand what is CAPTCHA and reCAPTCHA. Basically, CAPTCHA is a system that tests whether a user is human or not. It is a very popular tool since it prevents spam attack and protects websites from bots. If you search for CAPTCHA on the web, the results that you will get will be divided between resources offering CAPTCHA and reCAPTCHA. So what is basic difference between them? So first of all, both tool provides the same functionality, increasing the security level of websites, but the way of how it looks is different. So first of all, CAPTCHA asks you to complete the maths equation like addition, subtraction or multiplication. But in case of reCAPTCHA, there are two versions. First one is when you need to enter a word or digit from the image, and the second offers you to mark the checkbox that I am not a robot. If you will tick that checkbox, that's a reCAPTCHA. So that was the basic difference between them, and that's how they look. On the left hand side, we have reCAPTCHA. One is image one and another is I am not a robot one, and on the right hand side is CAPTCHA that is asking for a multiplication 7 into 5. So that's the basic between both of them. In the next tutorial we will see how we can perform insecure CAPTCHA vulnerability in a testing environment. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of this module. Today, in this tutorial, we are going to do a live practical of insecure reCAPTCHA bypass. So let's see the same. So over here, what we need to do, this is the website, Cyber Room. Let's tick this option. Now let's open our burp suite and capture this request. Now let's tick this as well. Now hit submit. Let's check burp suite. No, this is not the request. Neither this one. Check reCAPTCHA. Let's forward this one as well. So yeah, this one is the request which we need to edit. So what we'll do over here, we'll select the complete CAPTCHA, which is till GU, and we'll delete this reCAPTCHA from here. And now we will forward this request. Let's turn off the intercept. Now if we'll check over here, it's loading, wait for some time. As you can see over here, our application has been submitted and we have successfully bypassed insecure reCAPTCHA. So that's all for this video. Thanks a lot for watching this tutorial.